So here I have the Fragess Camping Cot. In this video, I'm going to go over the top questions I was seeing and let you know one special thing about this cot. And I've reviewed a few of them now, but this one has something special to it that the other ones didn't. So I'll let you know what that is at the end. But let's start with the questions. The first question was, what is the easiest setup for this? So I got a video going in the corner where you can see me set the whole thing up, but it takes maybe 20 seconds to get it fully set up. The base is just similar to a lawn chair. You just spread it apart and it's good to go. And then you can just throw your cushion on top. There are straps that you can wrap around all of the corners so it's secure in there, but expect maybe 20 to 30 seconds for it to be fully set up and you're gonna be ready to sleep. So really, really easy. And for the second question now was, what is the maximum weight for this? So they say it can hold up to 600 pounds. It's 28 inches across, so really you're only gonna be able to sleep probably one person on here, so it should be able to support whatever weight you put on there as long as it's under 600 pounds, and you'll be good to go. And now for the final thing, which is that special perk that this cot has that no other cot that I've reviewed at least, or I've seen, has. And what that is on your headrest, they actually put a built-in 4D microfiber pillow. And in that video going in the corner, I do a close-up on it. But this is a nice perk, so you don't have to worry about lugging around a pillow with you if you don't want to. So if you're hiking or maybe you're just supplies, want to keep it really thin when you're camping, you don't need to worry about bringing a pillow. They have one already built into it. But overall, I'm a huge fan of this. You know, if you're camping this summer in a tent or maybe going to some type of music festival and you normally just bring a sleeping bag, this is a great affordable alternative to one, if it's raining or going to be wet, you're going to be elevated above the ground. And two, it's just going to be a lot more comfortable than just sleeping, on a sleeping bag on the ground. So I'm a huge fan of it. It gets 2 thumbs up from me.